Once again, the woods video will be too bad. This thing sucks with lighting. And it gets jumpy. It's probably because I split videos. I'll usually stop and start so I can take pictures, because I love these woods. Any pictures I take, I'll put in on stills at the end of the video after I stick all the clips together. This is one reason I hate people in this town. Even if it's a follow-on vlog, that's still asshole-ish thing to do. If you can't read it, it says butthole. Misspelled butt. Because most people usually don't show themselves on this. That's me. If you can see it. I don't know how it is with this camera. The light makes it can't see that spider web. I love spiders and all creepy manner things. There's actually a pond near this that I'll show during one of the eclipse. I took a few pictures up before restarting recording. And for one I'm eating clover. Stuff in this woods you can eat. Little deer trail, one of my few little things. I'm gonna stop for a minute so I can take a few pictures. Wrong one. Oh well. Other people on the path. So I have to pause this again so that they can go by without being recorded. Never record someone without their permission. There we go. They passed. And this path I have to be careful on because there's stinging nettle. And it stings badly. That one wasn't ripe. I showed a symbol in the past that was marked. It's the Slenderman symbol. I don't think I've been down this path. The bird keeps flitting across the path. Huh, that's where this one leads to. Up to the pond. And the back path to the pond. An older part of it. And it's right at the creek bed. This is another area that I like going to. Haven't showed the first one yet, but this is the back area behind the pond. I have to be careful because I'm walking across a single little tree stump. And I'm on the big one. That's the small one I was crossing just now. Might not be a long path, but it is very slippery. Because this time around I didn't wear my boots. Sadly, stupid skanks have been up in this area too. Doing paintballs and shit.